How you doing? I'm Jeff, and I own Jeff's Lawn and Landscaping. This year I decided to get a new look on my truck. I ended up putting a new logo on there, and here's where you can follow us and the phone number. And then the side, of course, have the logo on the door, and then there. And I'm not all the way done with it. I'm thinking about on the back window putting the American flag and putting my lettering on it. And I was gonna see what you thought. You can leave a comment in the comments here. I'm thinking about underneath the fully insured, I'm thinking about putting mowing, shrub trimming, and mulching or cleanup, something like that. And then on the hood, I haven't decided, but I was thinking about maybe putting my logo on top of the hood. So you can leave a comment on if you would go and do that, or if there's anything else that you would do. Well, thanks for watching.